Hey guys, after watching this video today you will have no doubt about an Exipure supplement because in this video I want to remove all your doubts. This is the most common question people ask. What is Exipure? Exipure is a weight loss supplement made from natural ingredients with scientifically proven benefits. It is the result of years of research into herbal treatments in hopes of finding the best option for natural weight loss. Since herbs have been used for thousands of years in various treatments, scientists believe that some herbs may even help fight obesity. In their quest to find these herbs, they came up with 8 exotic ingredients, each of which plays a role in getting rid of unwanted fat. As mentioned on Exipure.com, this supplement works equally well on men, women, and other identifying with this binary classification. This is an over-the-counter formula but can only be used by people 18 years of age and older. The second question is what ingredients used to make Exipure. The first name of Exipure ingredients is Perilla, also known as beef steak plant. There are many studies supporting its effect on cholesterol levels, on balance HDL and LDL levels, and aids in the formation of brown fat. Some of its compounds also provide cognitive benefits and improve brain-body coordination. Next is holy basil, an ingredient with proven medicinal properties. It is an extraordinary herb to provide you with many health benefits such as reduced stress, enhanced brain power, relief in joint pain, and strong digestive health. It is also support healthy blood pressure level and sugar levels while consumed regularly. Exipure piles also contain ginseng or Korean ginseng, which provides unmatched energy to the body. This energy helps the body perform its function despite losing weight and does not make it dull or weak. Amur cork bark, not as popular as other ingredients, but Amur cork bark offers metabolic benefits that make weight loss easy. It eases bloating, diarrhea, cramps, vomiting, flatulence, and other conditions that are common in obese people. Next on the list is quercetin, an ingredient that is beneficial for blood pressure, heart and blood vessel health. It has also been shown in several studies to help stay young for a long time by boosting immunity, delaying aging, and rejuvenating somatic cells. Oleuropein, sometimes called oleuropia, help fat cells turn into brown adipose tissues, causing them to shrink while wasting a lot of energy used to promote cellular activity. It further improves cholesterol levels, blood pressure, sugar levels, and lipid profiles, preventing many diseases. Another name in the Exipure ingredients list is berberine, which is loaded with inflammatory antioxidant. It helps clear the body from toxins, removing free radicals and cellular waste that sometimes hinder metabolism. It supports healthy digestion, and with quercetin, it melts more fat in less time. The last name in Exipure ingredients is resveratrol, an antioxidant commonly found in grapes. It offers a number of health benefits, one of which is reduced cholesterol levels, prevent plaque formation, and clear toxins. All these ingredients are obtained from pure quality sources, and nothing among them can cause any side effect in the body. Next question is how does it work on your body? Exipure products make your body very good, and you will be amazed when you see great results. Exipure weight loss does not cause any side effects or bad reactions, only the desired result or positive effect. Exipure weight loss brown fat helps your body enter the metabolic state of ketosis, which requires energy to work or do physical activity. Therefore, Exipure brown fat will play an important role in keeping the body physically and mentally healthy. Benefits of Exipure. There are many positive effects which you can get after buying Exipure product, and at least after taking its dosage for at least 1 or 2 months. After completing 2 months of dosage, you will be able to see that your body will get used to using fat instead of carbohydrates whenever it will need to function or do any physical activity. Also, you will see that your body will be able to melt down your unwanted body part, which means you will be able to get slim. Apart from helping you with the instant weight loss journey, Exipure weight loss brown fat will also help you fight when you are the health issues, which if not controlled time can be very fatal for you, and this is not a good thing. It leads to an unhealthy body, and it also hampers your mental health as well. One more question that remains in the mind of most people: are there any side effects of Exipure? No, as we discussed, that will not get any side effects from the Exipure product, and you will be able to get satisfactory results from it. This is a 100% safe product that is filled with rich components having sufficient vitamins and nutrients in it. This has been made under proper supervision and in a clean and good environment. So, for this reason, you will not get any side effects from Exipure. Price of Exipure. When we talk about the price of Exipure products, then you will be amazed to know that Exipure weight loss brown fat is available at affordable prices, and you will not be disappointed after seeing several discount offers which the company present for the customer regularly. Not only this, if you are buy one package, then you will be need to pay for shipping charges, but if you are buying more than one packages, say 3 bottle pack or 5 bottle pack, then you will get its shipping free and will not have to pay any single penny for it. Check the exact pricing of the product. You can log into the official website of the company. So a lot of information has been given all over the social media about Exipure, which has increased the risk of scams very much, and many scammers website have become. That's why I will give you all a link to our Exipure official website in the description, and I will also pin in my comment box. By clicking on that link, you can purchase Exipure. Comment down below if you have any question and doubt related to Exipure. I will be happy to clear your doubt. Thanks for watching my review. I hope you got lots of value from